Hi everyone, this is Old Dunsky. I got my storm shelter put in finally. I'm going to give you a quick video on it, so y'all bear with me. Look at that. It's a 6x12. They stuck this joker in the ground. Steel reinforced door. 3 locking mechanisms. You really can't see down in there, but you can see the steps leading down in. Yeah, she's all pretty nice here. Pretty nice. Yep, that is the Old Dunsky storm shelter. Anyway, y'all, this is Old Dunsky, and I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all have a good evening.